Now we're going to talk about paint class. We use paint class to make anything appear on the screen, whether you have fetched the image from the internet or you have created a path. Now I'm going to show you few basic properties of the paint class which I think you should master. So the first one is always color. By default it is always black. If you want to draw only edges, then you can use style property and you need to provide stroke. Let me provide color black here to make it visible. So we have got this hairline like edge, right? So now we can provide some thickness using the stroke width. Now let's move to the edges. Now what we can do, we can first check the stroke cap. So by default, the stroke cap is always, but it will create this sharp line. It won't increase the length or it won't create some roundness or something else. So for now, I'm going to pass square here. This square is going to increase the length. So how much length it is going to extend will be calculated using the stroke width. So the length it is going to extend is basically 10 divided by 2. We can also provide roundness. Now let's talk about one more, which is stroke join. So by default it is miter, right? And now we can provide bevel or we can provide roundness. So let me provide miter here. So by default the miter limit is always 4. So if I provide the miter limit which is less than the miter length, it will change to the bevel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.